Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I got a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500XL. I got Paul here, so to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Paul?
Okay, this is a 66. It has a 302 in it. It has factory AC in it. It doesn't work at the moment.
Okay.
New interior. Mustang wheels are on it. 3-speed automatic, dual exhaust. This car really rides nice. Nice riding car. Very nice riding car.
Very cool.
There we go. In glove compartment.
Dual exhaust with Flowmasters. Looks like you got brand new red lines all the way around. Love the color combo, white with the red. Very cool. Flat black hood. The scoop. This is what I had in high school, this one in green.
Really?
Yeah.
Those sharp looking cars.
Such a nice looking car. Paul, can you pop the hood? Buckets, console, striking interior. Wood wheel, belts all the way around. Showing 15,332 miles, probably 115. Added gauges, there's a Sun Pro down there. Temp volts and oil. Nice door panels, remote mirror. Seat belts on the back as well. Carpet looks great. Even did the package tray in vinyl. It's pretty cool. Let's fire it up, Paul. Oh, you got the radio in there?
That's where it is.
Oh, that's cool. Nice that the dash isn't all cut up, you know? Oh, 302 power steering. No, real stock with manifolds and stuff. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. Nice cruiser. Runs cool, not a hot rod, right?
Very nice and cool. Good cruiser. Good family car. Put the back seat. Go out to a cruise night.
Very nice. Man, love this interior. Looks great against the white, you know? Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Thanks for joining us. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. And you can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks again, Paul.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.